This video is a part of a playlist called Small YouTuber Diaries, where me and a group of other small creators share our tips and experiences. So definitely check out that playlist. I'll have it linked for you down below in the description box as well as in the comments section. Welcome to Minimal Mindful Mama. Today I'm doing a day in the life of a small creator. So I'm just going to kind of take you with me throughout my day. So this morning I obviously got some coffee and then took my kids to school and then came back home for a little bit and tidied up before it was time for my son's swimming lessons. And then now we're back home. He ate lunch and he is taking a nap. So we're gonna do some chores and tidying real quick, and then we'll do our filming of our video. I'm gonna kind of show you my little setup for that, and then hopefully get that done before he wakes up from his nap. So I currently am working 3 days a week, and so my 2 days that I'm home, I'm with my toddler, and so that's been really nice. And those are my get everything done days. So I do all my errands, I do my grocery shopping, I clean and tidy up the house, and those are also my filming days. My son usually sleeps for about an hour or two at his nap time, so that gives me an opportunity for the house to be quiet, and hopefully it'll be tidied up enough by that point that I'm able to do a little sit-down video. It used to take me much longer to do a sit-down talking video. However, as I've been on YouTube for several years now, I've gotten more efficient at it. So I usually think about my topic and plan it out in advance, but then once I actually start filming, I can usually get a 8 to 12 finished video done in about 20 to 30 minutes of actual filming. Hello everyone, welcome to Minimal Mindful Mama. I'm Katie Mixon and I love helping other busy moms to declutter and organize and simplify their lives so that you can spend less time cleaning and organizing and more time actually living your life. If my little furniture stack isn't tall enough, then sometimes I'll grab a couple big thick books and add them to make the height taller so that I can actually get myself framed the way that I want to. I know that there's tripods and other things that you can use for this, but I started my YouTube channel with zero budget and basically just using the things that I had available to me. And since I'm not making money off of my YouTube channel yet, I am still in that very budget-friendly zone. And so if I can stack a couple books to make my phone camera be a little bit higher, that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do. Now that I've finished filming my video, I'm gonna go ahead and tear this down and get my living room back to its normal state so that it'll be ready when the baby wakes up.
You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. Always thought that you were weak, but babe, you're wrong.
When I was at Aldi, I saw that they had these rose bushes, and I already have one light pink one in my garden, and so I thought it would be really fun to go ahead and plant the yellow and the darker pink as well in some of the spaces. They probably won't grow as tall as the other one this year, but that's okay. It'll be beautiful for next year.
Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try. Think that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. And who cares if you might mess it up? You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess it up?
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm about to go pick up my kids and then do dinner and our after dinner routine before bed. Usually after all the kids are in bed is when I'll take some time to edit my videos and work on getting those uploaded to YouTube. So I'll probably be working on that for a little while tonight. Before you go, be sure to check out all the other videos in the Small YouTuber Diaries playlist. You can find that again in the description box or in the comment section as well. It'll be the pinned comment. I'd love it if you also like this video and subscribe to my channel down below. It helps us small YouTubers out so much when you do this. Thanks again so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in the next video.